Big tech is waging a war on house cleaners, and they are winning. Problem number one, you don't know there's a war. That's probably why you are losing. Problem number two, big tech are taking your clients. Amazon, Thumbtack, Home Advisor, HomeJoy, Handy, Merry Maids, Molly Maids, TaskRabbit. These companies take a huge slice of the pie, and each year their piece of the pie gets bigger. The apocalypse. These tech companies are undercutting the market, taking a large chunk of the money and lowering the cost of what your clients expect to pay. Post-apocalyptic future. More and more individual house cleaning company owners become glorified employees of companies like Amazon. Made-to-fit anti-zombie vaccine. Fight tech with tech. The best of the best house cleaning website, online booking, SEO, CRM. The majority of Americans find their house cleaner online. Get with the times, get with the tech. Don't be a zombie. Want to make a bet? Create a fully functional website and CRM designed to get you online clients in less than 60 seconds. $100 a month, month to month, no contracts, first 30 days free, and we provide training and support.